Hi, I'm Dr. Sherry Geller, and I'm so glad you can join me for this brief pause and presence and self-compassion. I'd love to do a brief practice inspired by Chris Germer's breathing compassion in and out, and just to connect us with others at this challenging time. So I invite you to just take a moment to get connected to your inhale, and I'll support with sound. And allowing yourself to feel your inhalation and offering yourself something you need right now with your inhalation. Compassion, peace, strength, whatever that might be. Just offering yourself something you need and allowing that to sync up with your inhalation. And if it feels right as you're doing this practice, feel free to put a hand on your heart or somewhere supportive on your body. And I invite you now to allow yourself to feel your exhalation. And with your exhalation, offering some compassion, kindness, love to someone in your life or to others generally in the world. Just focusing on that sense of exhaling out compassion, strength, care. And now in this last round, just allowing your awareness to be both with inhalation and exhalation. And with your inhalation, offering yourself what you need, compassion, kindness, and exhaling out for others, either that special person you were thinking about or others in the world in general. So breathing in for yourself and out for others. One for me, one for you. Just breathing in compassion for yourself and compassion for others. And letting go of the intentionality of the practice. And just taking a quiet moment with yourself. Feeling that endless flow of compassion for yourself and for others as it moves through your heart and your body. And just breathing that in. And when you're ready, just inviting yourself back to this moment, opening your eyes if they were closed, and carrying that intention for compassion flowing through you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me. Be well.